A major fire broke out at the Pallikaranai dump yard in Chennai on Thursday. The blaze quickly spread across the area and destroyed more than 100 seized vehicles parked nearby. The incident triggered panic in several parts of South Chennai. Thick black smoke rose into the sky and covered large stretches of Pallikaranai, Villacheri, and nearby neighborhoods. According to officials, the fire is believed to have started inside the dump yard. The exact cause is not yet known. Strong winds and highly combustible waste material helped the flames spread rapidly. Within a short time, the fire reached an adjacent vehicle holding area. Hundreds of seized vehicles were parked there on land managed by the Greater Chennai Corporation. Several rows of automobiles were engulfed by flames. Many vehicles were completely destroyed. Others suffered extensive damage. Burnt out shells of cars and two-wheelers were left behind as the fire tore through the parking area. Eyewitnesses said flames could be seen from several kilometers away. Residents reported hearing crackling sounds as vehicles caught fire one after another. The thick smoke caused concern among local residents. Many people stepped out of their homes to watch the blaze. Others worried about the impact on air quality. Emergency services were altered immediately. Fire and rescue services personnel rushed to the scene with multiple fire tenders. A large-scale firefighting operation was launched. Water tankers were also deployed to support the efforts. Firefighters worked continuously to stop the flames from spreading further. The operation continued for several hours. Officials focused on protecting nearby sections of the dump yard and preventing additional vehicles from catching fire. The smoke also affected traffic movement in the area. Commuters traveling along the busy Medavakkam Vellacheri corridor faced major delays. Visibility dropped significantly in several locations. Motorists were forced to slow down as thick smoke drifted across the road. Authorities later said there were no reports of casualties or injuries. However, the incident caused significant property damage. Officials have started assessing the losses. A detailed survey is being conducted to identify the affected vehicles and estimate the financial impact. An investigation has been launched to determine the cause of the fire. Authorities will also examine whether any safety violations or lapses contributed to the incident. The Pallikaranai dump yard has witnessed similar fire incidents in the past. The latest blaze has once again raised questions about waste management practices and fire safety measures at the site. Residents and environmental groups have repeatedly expressed concerns over recurring fires at the dump yard. They have called for stronger preventive measures to avoid such incidents in the future. Cooling operations continued even after the flames were largely brought under control. Officials remain on alert as investigations into the incident proceed. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.